This is the world's largest military aircraft, the C-5 Super Galaxy. It is 247 feet long. That's 2.5 blue whales. This is absolutely massive. This is the cargo space on the floor. We have all these D-rings for ratchet straps, and for the really, really big stuff, they have chains. And this is the flight deck. Up here is where the pilots and team fly this aircraft. You'll have our pilot seats. We have our co-pilot and pilot here. Let me just get a little bit comfortable. There we go. We have brakes here, and this is how we move the plane. Now, let's check out the back. Here they would have 73 troops, an entire battalion being delivered and flown to Vietnam to fight.